Hello students. Here I am back with the topic pronouns because it is still to be discussed more. The last we discussed was the pronouns and its types. But sometimes we get confused between pronouns and adjectives. Like if I put some examples in front of you and ask you to identify the underlined words as pronouns or adjectives, do you think you would be able to? Okay, then let's try. Here I give you two sentences with underlined words where you have to identify whether the underlined word is an adjective or a pronoun. So here, this is a sentence. These are my crayons. In this sentence, the word my is underlined. What do you think? It is an adjective or a pronoun? Of course, it is an adjective because it is standing before a noun. Crayons is a noun and it is standing before to modify this noun with this noun to modify it. So it is definitely an adjective. So you might be surprised to find word my as an adjective, but it is because it is standing with a noun, not in place of a noun. In the next sentence, these crayons are mine. Of course, this word mine is showing the possession. But is it used as an adjective or a pronoun? That we have to find out. Fine. These crayons are mine. This word is showing possession, but we have used it in place of the noun crayons, not with any noun. There is no noun after it. It is used at the last of the sentence in place of a noun. So it is pronoun because, as you all know, pronouns are used in place of nouns. Similarly, if I cut these underlines and put them here, now the case gets changed. Now this word these, of course, under the category demonstrative. Do you remember demonstrative pronouns, demonstrative adjectives? Same thing. This, that, these, those. So these here is the demonstrative category. Now you have to find it out whether these are used as adjective or pronouns. So now this sentence is these are my crayons and the underlined word is these. So in this sentence, what do you think this word these represents? A pronoun or an adjective? Here, try to find out whether it is used with a noun or in place of a noun. This word these represents what? Represents the crayons, which is a noun. So, this word these is used in place of a noun. That is why it is pronoun. Now, earlier my was adjective because used with crayons. So, we will write it here adjective. And now, if we underline this word here, it becomes pronouns. Now, second sentence. These crayons are mine. So, the word mine was the pronoun here because it was used in place of noun. But these, the word these here is used with the noun to modify this. These crayons. Which crayons? These crayons. So, this word these is modifying the noun crayons. That is why it is an adjective. And this is pronoun. Now you would be thinking what type of pronouns or adjectives these are. Of course, this word is adjective. What type of adjective? Possessive adjective. And here this pronoun is possessive pronoun. And this adjective here is possessive adjective because no, it is demonstrative adjective. And this pronoun here is demonstrative pronoun. So it depends on the use of the word that it would be a pronoun or an adjective, because here the same word these, in one place it is pronoun and in the second sentence it is adjective. It only depends on whether the word is used in place of a noun or with a noun. If it is used with a noun, it will be an adjective. If it is used in place of a noun, it is a pronoun. Now this one you can note down in your notebook so that whenever you want you can read it again. Any notebook. It's not necessary to write in the grammar only. You can write it anywhere so that you can easily read it again and again. So it is difference between pronouns and adjectives. Simply, pronouns stand in place of nouns, whereas adjectives stand with nouns. Here we have some more examples. This technology is the best. Here the word this is used with the noun technology, that is why it is an adjective, whereas in the second sentence this is the best technology. So with this underlined word this, there is no noun. So it is standing in place of noun, and the word standing in place of noun is always a pronoun. Similarly, we can easily identify the possessives because these pronouns and adjectives can be of any type. As we have already learnt the types of pronouns, that are demonstrative, interrogative and possessive. Like that, we can identify easily the demonstrative, possessive, interrogatives, any type. Like, this book is mine, this is my book. So the word mine here is pronoun, but the word my is adjective. One more example for interrogatives. Interrogative pronouns. You can see, which is your favorite book? Which book is your favorite? So, in these sentences, the word which, in this sentence, the word which is a pronoun because it is standing in place of the noun book. Which is your favorite book? So, we can easily identify that the word which we are using for the book, but not with the book. So, it is pronoun. Which book is your favorite? This word which is used with the word book, which is a noun. So this which is the adjective. So this is the difference between the adjectives and pronouns, that where are they used in the sentence. It depends the word's identification. Now I would give you an exercise where you have to identify such type of words and also change them.